You see Walden?
That's not it. Right here.
That's getting ready to come here. And it's freaking raining outside.
Oh, we were just like, let's go.
Let's get
He always looks so sad. He's like, I know.
What happened?
Really?
Debbie and I couldn't
He has a
pull the
sad
airplane.
face.
He has a very sad face.
He's grieved over Lucy.
He was happy being over wrestling.
The new plane is pretty weird.
Yes, it does. He was kissing me like crazy.
But this will look like, I was trying to find that picture of that picture I showed you the other day. It'll come out looking just like you. I have a million different pictures. Stop. No, I don't. In my old phone.
What are you taking a photo of?
Don't concern yourself.
Surprise.
I'll tell you later. How do you know I'm taking a photo?
It'll be similar to this. I saw it. When the grout's dry, it'll be this.
Oh, I love
It'll be that gray.
That's cool.
Yeah, it'll be this gray. When the grout's dry, it'll be that light gray grout, or light gray, and it'll look like this. So it'll look similar to this.
I love that.
That's what it'll look like when it's on dry. The grout will be colored.
Oh, here she goes.
And then the patio.
Oh, I love the light.
Isn't that pretty? The patios.
Oh, this
wood.
is a house
all the way
that we
around.
like.
Yeah. But this is the same stuff, and then it's going to have that.
You did a lot of research.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I like those letters. Those are beautiful.
So when's the move-in date?
We don't have a moving. Oh, it was supposed to be before Christmas. And our stain is similar to that. I like that. It's a little lighter, but it's similar. The gray, kind of the gray tone. And the same wood. Alder. Beautiful. It was supposed to have been before Christmas. Now I'm hoping it's before March 1st. It's always delayed, but there's a lot of delays that should not have happened. I love that. Like
That is gorgeous.
I want that.
Incoming.
I love that.